How can you buy MLS tickets? Now, to buy the Major League Soccer tickets, simply open any browser and visit the official MLS sites. Tap on the home and from here type in MLS tickets and hit search. And you'll appear on the first website, MLS Soccer. Tap on there. Now, after you're on the official website, what you can do is tap on the game tickets at the top. And you'll be loaded to the ticketmaster.com website and just wait for it to load. You can also use the Ticketmaster for Android application from the Play Store. Now once this is loaded, you can see the stadium view, and from here you'll be able to select the seats where you want to sit. Here are a number is assigned to all of the seats. The area you can simply select on there and see the price range, and the blue one indicated that the seating options are not available because they have been already booked. Simply tap on other options. You can see those that are free from over here and just select on that best suits you, and this will be the view that you'll be getting. You can tap on 360 to view the entire 360 version. Now after you're satisfied, simply tap on how much ticket that you want. Tap on minus, tap on plus to increase the number of seats. And when you tap on plus, the price will also be increased. You can see how much each costs right over here. And the event ticket limit is 8 for this one. So you can buy up to 8 tickets. And the description is available here, and you can pay either from PayPal or from this application. And after that, simply tap on reserve seat and you'll be taken to the checkout option. And after that, once you enter your credit card or debit card details, your ticket will be bought. And that's it, guys. In this way, you'll be able to buy the MLS tickets. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.